Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? It's Tuesday, and you know what that means? It's another round of Tabo Tuesdays here on Harriet. And this bold review is going to be about Stepdaddy. Yes, that's the title. Come on, come on, Stepdaddy! Ah! Yeah, yung mga ganun. So, yeah, without any further ado, pakilag na lang po yung video. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung review, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Tabo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And this is Stepdaddy. Starring John Mark Marsha, Astrid Lee, saka Christy Imperial. Medyo matagal na rin nun, mula nung huli ko nakita si Christy Imperial sa BMX. uh, we always give the spotlight usually to the new guys now, like Karen Lopez. Uh, Rian Rivera, even though she only has 2 movies under her belt, meron pa siyang movie yesterday, which is Sausawan. Go take a look under that review. However, it was mid. This one, Stepdaddy, however, it was brilliant. And it also features my favorite PBB alumni, Jamila Obispo, dahil for obvious reasons, kaya nandito tayo. Yeah, Jamila Obispo is back. I think her last stint dito sa BMX is High on Segs Season 2, and that was like ano, kailan ba High on Segs? 2023? Oh, that was 3 years ago. Holy cow! That was Jamila Obispo was here 3 years ago. That was like long ago. Trump wasn't even president 3 years ago. My first year pala ng Batang Quiapo nun. How times have changed. Nagbo-bold pa si Angelica nun sa kasi Asia Costa. Holy cow! Am I that old? Anyway, ayun. Christy Imperial. What was Christy Imperial didn't even debut. Ang panahon ng 2003 is Pantasia, Angelica Hart, Aiko Garcia. Sila yung mga new faces ng 2003. And Christy Imperial was the new face of 2004. Dito yung revolution ng BMX sa mga sinihan, like unang Tikim and the Burlesque Queen. And then my computer broke down, kaya I resorted to PS5 recording for the rest of 2025. And we had people in 2025 like sino ba yung mga 2025 natin, like Danny Yoshida, yung mga ganun. Irish Tan dun sa terrible movie nila na censored lahat. Lady Guard. Angela Morena has been the workhorse. She's been here in the business for like 4 years. At wala na si Kang ngayon. And now we got Christy Imperial. Year 2 of Christy Imperial. And then Astrid Lee. Yeah, part of the new faces. If you actually look sa Instagram ni Karen Lopez, lagi niyang kasama si Astrid Lee. I'm not implying anything na magjowa sila or something. But it's just coincidental na magkasama sila. Siguro magtropa. Diba? Yeah, yung mga Sheena Cole, di ba? Sila yung mga mga mukha ngayon. Ali Raimundo was so 2025. Yeah. Yeah. Mamaya may picture siya, pero di ko re-reviewin yun. Yun yung, Halina Jesus Halia or something. Halika kay Halia. Yun. Okay, Stepdaddy. This is featuring John Mark Marsha, Jam Obispo, Astrid Lee, and Christy Imperial. So, si Jamila Obispo nagbabalik sa kanyang first ever BMX outing after 3 years. Correct me if I'm wrong talaga. Pero pagkakatanda ko talaga, it's been 3 years since Jam Obispo showed up in BMX. So, ang kwento dito sa stepdaddy siya ni Nix, played by Christy Imperial, at ni Chloe, played by Astrid Lee. Ito ay si Carl. John Mark Marsha played as Carl. He is the second husband ni Joyce na ang na nanay ni Nix and Chloe. Si Nix yung panganay. And most of the lines ni Nix dito is that she is workaholic. And I think the feature dito sa pelikula nito is lagi sila kumakain salo-salo sa hapagkainan. Like, close sila. Even though they are not close. Close sila sa nanay nila, pero di sila close sa stepdad nila. And then, makikita mo dito yung devolution ng closeness sila sa nanay nila. Okay? At naging close sila sa stepdad nila. Itong si Carl, he's a repairman. He is a Mr. Fix It. Ito repairman. Diba? Nag-ano pa sa shop, sa talyer niya. Working guy, tapos siya pa yung naglilinis ng bahay. House husband, material. He's like the perfect guy. At ginagawa ni Carl lahat para mapalapit yung samahan nila sa anak ng kanyang asawa na si Joyce. Si Nick sa si Chloe. However, Chloe, yung unang babae na iba yung naiisip. So when you watch this film, umuwi itong si Nick from abroad kasi para magbabakasyon siya dito. So tumuloy siya sa bahay ng nanay niya. Di siya aware na kasal na pala si Carl sa si Joyce. Carl and Joyce had that one Jamila Obispo sex scene that we all missed for 3 years. And it was very, very good. Very, very nice. Very bold. Yeah? Diba? And then, after that, we have not seen any mature scenes for the next 25 minutes. It's like, bam! Okay? Full on exposition dito. When I say exposition, medyo ine-establish yung relationship ni Carl sa dalawang anak. And ang unang anak ko na biktima ay itong si Chloe. Si Chloe yung medyo feisty. Okay? Siya yung medyo immature. Okay? Medyo hungry, medyo thirsty, yung dating. And she had some intrusive thoughts regarding Carl. And I think it all paid out nung silang dalawa na lang sa bahay. As bigla na lang hinalikan ni kasi siniseduce nito ni Chloe si Carl. Niyayakap, inaakbayan, umuupo malapit sa kanya, tinatabihan siya malapit sa mesa, like that. Until Carl gave in and gave her the lips to lips and they had one of the best sex scenes na nakita ko in this year sa BMX. Aside from Pansamantala. Carl hitted Astrid really hard here. Dinig na dinig mo yung, di ba? Dinig na dinig mo eh. Uh, and from that 25-minute respite na walang sex scene, we get like parang 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes na alternating sex scenes ni Chloe sa ni Carl na patago. Eventually, nakita ni Nix na nagkakangkangan itong si Chloe sa si Carl. Nix was initially against the fact that her stepdad is banging her sister. Until the such fact, hinalikan ni Carl itong si Nix, and Nix just gave in. And then we now have Carl and Nix doing the and it's amazing. It's amazing. And then nag-devolve yung ano. Kaya sabi ko sa pagkainan sila, they had this section na nasa couch. Yung dalawang babae na anak sa dugo ni Jam Obispo, ni Joyce, imbes na lapitan yung nanay, o sa kanila lumapit sa nanay, they both sat beside Carl. And nagkaroon dito, the best plot device dito sa pelikula, the brown out section, nagka-brown out, walang ilaw. Inunang tinira ni Carl itong si Chloe, then tinira ni Carl itong si Nix gamit ang apple. Nagkagatan sila sa apple eh. And then, they have a threesome. And attention to detail dito Nix and Chloe are sisters by blood. And the fact that they didn't kiss, they didn't fondle each other's breasts, they didn't lick each other's pussy in this movie is really good touch. It parang hindi na desecrate yung pagiging role nila na mag-ate sila. Hindi sila nagaligan, ganun. They didn't touch each other, they touch Carl. And then dumating si Jam Obispo, huli sa akto, and instead of Jam Obispo, instead of their mom Joyce siding with her kids, she sided with Carl. And her kids, Nix and Chloe, left the house. Ewan ko kung sising-sisi si Joyce sa decision niya that she chose a newcomer na hindi naman naging part sa buhay niya until recently over her flesh and blood. But this is like the thing. This is like what happened. This is the ending of Stepdaddy. And that's my whole recap of the movie. What do I have to say about Stepdaddy? Well, we're going to give it a very much uh, considerate rating compared sa kahapon on the character assassination of Rian Rivera. Okay, we are going to give Stepdaddy woohoo a bro I just opened the app moment. Welcome back, Jamila Obispo. Okay, so this Friday may review ulit tayo. It's gonna be Tayuan Dos. Okay? So, I'm pretty much excited for Tayuan Dos. Actually, let's preview the BMX lineup that is coming coming. Like I said, April 14 Tuesday, Halina Jesus Halia. So, yeah, di ko to reviewin kasi basic, it's just a feature. Na. Okay, we got Tayuan this nawala. Where is it? Nawala. Lang ha. Okay. Ayun. We got Tayuan this Friday. Quezon Puti this next Friday. Barurot. Barurot is getting a sequel. Barurot is getting a sequel. JC Tan is back in Barurot 2. Holy! Maganda Barurot yung Paula Santos. That was last year, right? Barurot already got a sequel before Nightbird. So check in. Check in with Alia Raimundo. Okay, we need to update our tier list with this coming we got Pasacalye. Who is this? And Andrew Mulak. Wait. This is ah ah walang bold to. It's a Tuesday movie. Tuesday movie to eh. Walang bold to. Basta ito may mga sa mga dating BMX. Uh, uh, ito yung mga artista mo. Walang bold to. Wala. Uh, Barurot dos ano eh. Tuesday rin eh. Well, Scorpion Nights 4 was Tuesday. At saka mga bold star to eh. Si Margaret Diaz. Let's see. Scissors. Rian Rivera on Scissors. Yes, please. Who else is coming? And Hayok. Okay. Kamasutra 2 is a feature. Ataska, din na naguhubad yan. Christine Vermas all the way is also featured. Dinagon. Monay Friday. So we got all the May lineup here. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a splendid. I'm excited. I will update the tier list with all of these. So, yun. Okay. I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great time. This is your boy Harriet. Peace out. Peace.